I'm so excited. I came in and I had this big box from Dick Blick with a lot of bubble wrap for my new Blooms Princeton Velvet Touch. I love these brushes. I love, love, love the Filbert. I can't wait to play with my new brush. It's here, dude, it's here. My brand new brush, my Princeton Velvet Touch size 12. Thank you, Jenna Rainey. And I'm going to, I've got a white piece of paper and I got my brush and it's loaded with water. Yikes, yikes, yikes. So let's just start making some marks. Oh, it's juicy, juicy, juicy brush. I love it because you can use it on the side. Get this nice little, these nice little lines. You can, oh, that's not a good one. Yeah, tap. Let's make a big, big mess in here. Let's get a lot of water flowing around. I'm going to introduce some permanent rose. You probably didn't need to guess what I'm using because I tend to always use Opera and Scarlet Lake because I love it. It's kind of a go-to. All right. Wow, it's really long. I've been known to cut my brushes. Don't tell anyone. I think that's probably sacrilege. Let's dab in some darks and just watch it explode. Look at that. Ooh, I want to do a big explosion. Oh, that's my red one. I don't want my red one. Oh, what the hell? Let's move it around a little. I feel like a mad scientist. Okay. Let's move it into some more orangey colors. It's okay, puppy. Don't. Oh gosh, she always does that just when I start painting. Okay, we're just dancing here. Dancing. The tip of the brush is gonna hit my phone. I think I'm gonna have to stand up when I do this from now on. All right, let's bring in some bright yellows. That's a lot of pigment I got here. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, so pretty. Looking a little flat. Let's bring in some orange. Nice. I don't know what else to do to this one. It's very pretty. Should we start doing maybe some, let's bring in some blue. Now I'm going to just use the tip again. It's a little straight up and down. Ooh, oh my goodness, look how pretty. See, I just got in a battle. I just got in a battle. When I say battle, I got in a battle with my light. I think I want to connect that a little bit more. Let's get some dark. Oh, cool. Cool. All right, let's see. Oh, that didn't look so good. All right, now I'm going to lighten it up. Oh, stop choking up, Jenny. is really fun. Flip it over. Oh, so much fun. Do I want another flower though? Let's see. Yeah, let's do another pink flower. Maybe this one's, yeah, this one's kind of pointing this way. A lot of water. My water's a little dirty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. This is hypnotic. Oh my gosh. Purple, let's do it. Oh! All right, lots of water. Okay, let's, what do I want to do? Go back this way. I'm just trying out different pressures. Different movements. As soon as this dries a little, I'm going to go back in. But for now, I think I need some more green. Maybe up here. Oh, nice big dog hair. Not anymore. I have no words. Don't choke up. Oh, I like that shape. Okay, I'm sorry if my moans and groans sound a little too naughty, but I'm having fun. Let's see. I think there's going to be a little bud right here. Oh, sweet. Then let's see. I know what I want to do. I want to go back in here and try not to ruin it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Touch of red. Do I? Oh, yeah. Let's put a touch of red here. Okay, I'm getting a little crazy. Go back. This is weird right here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna switch brushes. Can't help it. Let's add some darks. Okay. Well, that happened. The heck. Let it happen a little bit. Where am I going? I need some more dark blue. All right, going back to the Jenna brush. This is like meditation. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. Okay, I need some green over here. I have gone through so much green. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Let's see. Just dropping in some darks, different shades. It's really fun. I think I need to drop some real dark in there. Indigo, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah. This is delicious. Am I done? No, I'm not. Using the brush as a stamp. Need some blue down here. Oh, but first, it's pretty. Color is just gorgeous. Can I be done? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Okay, I'm done.